Microsoft just dropped a tool to turn messy Office files into clean LLM data, while another repo generates viral TikToks in seconds. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today on GitHub Trending. It's May 30, 2026, and the open source community is absolutely cooking right now with some game-changing AI tools. We've got everything from agentic terminal tools released by Anthropic to high-performance Rust parsers that'll make your RAG pipelines feel like they're on steroids. All right, let's jump right in. First up is MoneyPrinterTurbo by Harry703. This project is exploding with over 70,000 stars total and nearly 3,000 new stars today alone. It's an all-in-one automation tool for short-form video. The magic here is simplicity. You give it a single keyword or a topic, and it uses LLMs to write the script, find background footage, add subtitles, and even pick the perfect music. Why? Because it automates the entire creative workflow. It supports multiple aspect ratios like 9:16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. It's built with Python and MoviePy, offering a clean web UI and a powerful API for those who want to scale their content creation. I'm honestly impressed by how much of the MVC architecture they've polished. If you're building a content automation stack, this is the foundational repo you've been looking for. It's fast, effective, and clearly highly viral. Next, we have markitdown from Microsoft. This was built by the AutoGen team to solve one of the most annoying problems in AI dev. How do you reliably get messy documents into Markdown? It converts PDFs, Word docs, Excel files, and even images into structured Markdown that LLMs actually understand. It's already hit 131,000 stars and is picking up massive momentum today. What sets this apart from basic converters is the focus on preserving headers, tables, and links. It even handles audio by providing speech transcription into the Markdown output. That's actually impressive for a lightweight utility. If you're building RAG pipelines with LangChain or AutoGen, you need this. It runs locally with your process privileges, so keep an eye on security when processing untrusted files. It's a must-have tool for any AI developer. Moving on to Compound Engineering Plugin by EveryInc. This is a specialized TypeScript plugin designed for the modern AI coding era. It works with claude-code, Cursor, and StackBlitz to optimize how agents work. The philosophy is brilliant. Each unit of work should make the next one easier. It adds commands like cbrainstorm and cplan to force your AI agents to think before they start hammering out code. It's all about inverting the traditional tech debt cycle. Instead of making the codebase harder to navigate each day, these plugins help codify knowledge so future agent prompts have more context and better judgment. If you've noticed your AI-generated code getting messy over time, this is the solution. It's a structured way to manage the leverage that AI provides in a professional engineering environment. Really smart stuff here. Now check out 20hq. They're positioning themselves as the #1 open source alternative to Salesforce, specifically designed for the AI era. It's a modern CRM built with TypeScript and Nest.js. With 48,000 stars, it's becoming a serious contender for companies that want full control over their customer data. The wild part? It's built from the ground up to be easily integrated with AI workflows. The UI is clean, the PostgreSQL backend is robust, and the documentation is top tier. They've just released version 2.8.0, showing that their release velocity is staying incredibly high as they scale. I love seeing open source projects tackle these enterprise giants. If you're tired of the bloat in traditional CRMs, you absolutely need to spin up a local instance of 20 and see the difference. Anthropic's own claude-code is trending again. This is their agentic CLI tool that's becoming the gold standard for terminal-based AI coding. It doesn't just suggest code, it actually executes routine tasks and handles Git workflows. It's sitting at 128,000 stars, and for a good reason. It understands your whole codebase. You can ask it to refactor a complex module or explain a legacy file, and it just gets it right. The recent updates have improved the installation flow for macOS, Linux, and Windows. They've moved away from NPM toward a more streamlined installation script, which makes the initial setup much smoother for new users. The real power comes when you use it alongside the custom plugins we talked about earlier. It's a whole new way to interact with your local environment that feels incredibly futuristic and fast. This one is hilarious but so necessary. Taste Skill by Leonxlnx. It's an anti-slop framework for AI agents. Why do we need it? because standard AI UI generation often looks like generic boilerplate. Taste skill gives your agent specific skills to improve typography, spacing, and motion. It basically forces the AI to have better aesthetics so you're not stuck with boring, standard-looking layouts every time. It includes reference boards for web, mobile, and brand kits. You pair these with image generators like ChatGPT images, and then hand the frames to your coding agent for a high-fidelity implementation. It's gaining massive traction because people are realizing that raw AI output is often mediocre in design. This repo bridges that gap by injecting actual design sensibility into the prompting process. Run-llama just dropped liteparse, and it's a beauty. It's a fast, open-source document parser written in Rust. It's focused entirely on being local and light, without any cloud dependencies or LLM overhead. What's the catch? There isn't one. It provides high-quality spatial text parsing with bounding boxes, ensuring that the layout of your document is preserved during the extraction phase. It's built by the Llama Index team, so you know it's optimized for data retrieval. They've published versions for Node.js, Wasm, and Python, making it incredibly versatile for any stack you might be running. If you're dealing with dense tables or complex PDF layouts but want to keep your processing costs at zero, this is the tool. It's significantly faster than traditional OCR libraries while maintaining high accuracy. Last but not least is stable-worldmodel by the Galilai-Group. This is a platform for reproducible world model research. It's deep into the AI research space, focusing on model, predictive control, and PyTorch baselines. The project aims to make research in world models more standardized and easier to evaluate. Why does this matter? Because world models are the key to building agents that can plan ahead and reason. They've included full solvers, baselines, and specialized environments for testing. It's a massive win for the scientific community and anyone trying to build next-generation autonomous systems. Even if you're not an AI researcher, keeping an eye on these repos tells you exactly where the tech is heading next year. It's a high-quality, well-documented codebase that's worth a star for any serious AI enthusiast. I want to say a huge thank you to all the open source contributors who built these incredible projects. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I will check all of them. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.